be a fool, okay? Be wise. Understand what life is. Do you think the people, the things that you are seeing are real? Do you think that when you pass away or transform into your next existence, that you will be leaving any of this here, that this world will still exist? Do you think in your mind that this will exist after you transform? Do you think that you need to procreate a child so that you will live on? Because when you pass on, that everything will still be here, moving and functioning as it was before you were the observer and were here. This is a cruel mistake. This is a very, very, very stupid thing to believe. If you believe that life goes on without you, you are highly mistaken. You are life. Without you observing it, it cannot exist. The potential only exists there from thought, from the structure of the field. The potentials of everything anything that ever can exist are there in this field, which is your mind, DNA. And every single moment, all of what you see is merely an illusion. Do you think that me talking to you right now, that I'm me, you are you, and that we are separate? Do you think that I'm real? Do you really know what life is? Or are you just living it? Do you truly understand what this is? Or are you moving so fast that you don't even take the time to sit and ask, what the hell is this? How did I get here? No. My latest memory is me being a child and seeing my mother or my father or whatever you will call it. And that's where it all starts. Think about that. It just popped out of nowhere. You just started living. Your memories that you have just... And we rationalize it because what we do is we see, because we have children, that, oh, that's how I came into the world. And so, see, that's the illusion. It's all illusion. It's all an illusion. We have to catch this. We have to catch this mean, foul illusion upon our minds. You just, for instance, when you're in a dream, you just pop up in the dream. You're in the dream and you're reacting to everything in the dream. You're just acting. But have you ever slowed down in the dream and say, how did I get here? The fuck It is when you do this with life that you become awoken. When you stop and you look around and say, how did I get here? What the fuck is this? No, seriously, what is this? Why am I here? What is this? What the hell is this? Have you ever been in a dream and stopped in the middle of your dream and said, I'm dreaming? Am I dreaming? What is this? No, you never have. Because you're so involved in a dream, you forget about this world. Or any other realities. You forget. And that's what you're doing here. You're dreaming. And you forgot about the other worlds. You have forgotten. I'm a part of you. Here to remind you, a very clever part of you that you tapped into. I'm a part of you that you tap into to remind you who you are, to help you. Do not resist me. I love you. I love myself. I am you. In the future, I am here to help you. Do not deny me. Do not deny my words and my teachings. For your own behalf, I am the mercy that you pray for. Listen to me, and you will see the kingdom of God. But if you do not listen to me, you will stay in your hell and you will suffer. And your next lifetime, you will suffer. And your next existence, you will suffer. I advise you to listen to me. I am your friend. I am not your enemy. I come to destroy your view, to kill you so that you may live. I come to kill you so that you may live. Because your current ego, sense of self, is a lie. And I come here to kill it. A lot of you will defend this ego and say, no, this is who I am. I have children. I'm a father. I'm a black man. I'm a white woman. I'm a black woman. I'm a Chinese man. I love Russia. And you will experience all of the suffering that comes along with that. When you transpire, when you transform from this reality to the next reality, as I said before, what you're doing in this lifetime is a dream you're having. If you could imagine yourself being in the womb of your mother or yourself. In this womb, you're sleeping, you're in a sleep state. What the dream you're having in the womb is your past life. So right now, you're in a dream, only to wake up in your next existence. But as the baby is born, it forgets its past life. The baby is born and it forgets its last life. Its last reality. Forgets all about it. Why? Because it doesn't matter. It's now living out its karma. Because whatever you're doing in this life is actually creating everything in the next reality that you live. You're creating your next reality or existence. Right now, with everything that you're doing, you are creating your next reality. You are in sleep within sleep within sleep. Dreams within dreams within dreams. Dimensions within dimensions. Fractals of reality. Fractals in its many. It's everlasting. It's the never-ending story. And I'm trying to help you break a cycle.